Today we're making one pan lemon garlic chicken thighs and rice, juicy chicken, fluffy rice, bright lemon, and garlic that wakes up your taste buds. The whole thing cooks in one pot, and not just any pot. We're using a caldero, the kind of pan every Dominican kitchen trusts to make perfect rice. Sorry Dutch oven, this one's not your lane. Start with 8 boneless chicken thighs. Pat them dry, then season with salt, pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and oops, don't forget 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Mix that in good. The chicken should look like it's ready for vacation in the Mediterranean. Heat your caldero with a little olive oil until it shimmers. Drop in the chicken and listen for that sizzle. Music to the soul. Sear both sides until golden, then set the chicken aside. Now toss in diced onion, let it soften, then add garlic. If you're feeling fancy, splash in some white wine and scrape up the flavor bits stuck at the bottom. That's flavor gold right there. Next, add 3 cups of rinsed jasmine rice. Stir it around for a minute until it looks glossy, like it's dressed for dinner. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth, zest and juice of fresh lemons, and a pinch more salt and pepper. Stir, then nestle the chicken back on top like the kings they are. Bring it to a gentle simmer until all the liquid has evaporated. Cover it tight and let it cook low for about 20 minutes. When you lift that lid, the rice will be fluffy, the chicken tender, and the whole kitchen smelling like comfort and sunshine. Finish with fresh parsley, and here's your mini soul snack. Life's a lot like this recipe. If you season it with intention, let it simmer with patience, it always comes together better than you expect. If you want the full written recipe with all the details, head to kelvinskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe, because food this good should never be kept a secret.